Hello my dear friends, and today I am going to tell you about transpose of a matrix and how to find out the transpose of a matrix by Scilab, and the version which I am going to use is 5.5.2. Okay, and in my previous videos I have told you how to find out the inverse of a matrix and how to find out the sum and difference of two matrices. Okay, so today I will tell you how to find out the transpose of a matrix, and we will verify the four properties of transpose of matrices. Okay, so let us first see what is the code for transpose of a matrix and how to find out the transpose, and then we will verify the properties. Okay, so first of all I am going to tell you, always clear this one. See here, I am closing this one, then after left clicking this one, once the side note comes here. Okay, so always clear this one. Okay, so now to find the transpose of a matrix. Okay, so let us take a matrix, and we know what is the meaning of transpose of a matrix. The rows and columns will interchange. That means the first row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become third column, and similarly columns will become rows. Okay, so let us say A is equal, capital A is equal to, I am taking a 3 by 3 matrix, so 2, 4, 2, 8, then semicolon. Okay, then put a space, 9, 0, 1, I am giving space. Okay, and then put a semicolon, then take space, then 8, 5, 1. Okay, this is matrix A, and I am taking matrix B also, another matrix B. B is equal to, put a square bracket, then 3 space 0 space 4, then semicolon. The B also I am taking a 3 by 3 matrix, then 8, 4, 6. You should remember, you should put these spaces, then semicolon, then space, 9, 7, 5. Okay, so I have taken two matrices A and B. Now simply find out A transpose. And what is the coding for A transpose? Simply write A. Actually in mathematics the transpose is denoted as A to the power T or A dash. Here dash is apostrophe, simply A dash. Okay, let us see. I am copying this one. Okay, so simply paste here, and by right clicking the mouse you will get a clear console and clear history also. Okay, then paste here, Control V, then simply enter, press the enter key. See here, matrix A is there, matrix B is there, and this is A transpose. See here, the first row was 4, 2, 8. Here the first column is 4, 2, 8. Here the second row is 9, 0, 1, and here the second column is 9, 0, 1. Here the third row is 8, 5, 1. Here the third column is 8, 5, 1. Clear? So this is A transpose. Okay, so now let us verify the different laws or different properties of matrices. So I am clearing the console. Okay, so now see here, now to verify the first law. The first law is, can you tell me? To verify So I am to verify the properties of transpose of matrices. Okay, the first property I am going to tell you, the transpose of a matrix, that means A transpose to the power transpose is equal to A. So let us take this is transpose of A. Okay, so first see whether this one is equal to A or not. Okay, I am copying this one and right clicking, clear console, and simply paste it here and then enter. See here, your A is 428, here A transpose of transpose is 428, then 901, here also 901, here 851, here also 851. That means transpose of A is equal to A. Your first property is verified. Clear? Then let us see the second property. And second property is your A plus B whole transpose must be equal to A transpose plus B transpose. See here, A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, I have written A plus B whole transpose, here A transpose plus B transpose. So let us see. See here whether these two values are same or not. 7, 17, 17, 7, 17, 17, 2, 4, 12, 2, 4, 12. Here 12, 7, 6, 12, 7, 6. So both are same. That means the value of A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay. So let us see the next property. Okay. So our next property is A minus B. In place of plus, I have to take minus. Okay. So simply I am modifying this one. I am not writing again and again. So now I am simply copying this one and I have to paste here. See here, 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2, here it is also 2 minus 4 minus 2. It is 4 minus 5 minus 4, 4 minus 5 minus 4. Okay, the third property is verified. Clear? Now the next property is the most important property, reversal law. That means A into B whole transpose. That means A star asterisk B bracket close transpose must be equal to B transpose into A transpose. Into means asterisk A transpose. Clear? A B whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose, which is the reversal law. Let us see here. Whether see here 100, 36, 73, 100, 36, 73, 64, 7, 27, 64, 7, 27, and 68, 41, 67, 68, 40, 41 and 67. Okay, both are equal. That means the reversal law is verified. Okay, so another one is scalar multiple. That means your transpose of Ka, K is a scalar, must be equal to K into A transpose. See here, I am giving a particular value to K. Let us take K is equal to 2. That means 2 star A whole transpose must be equal to, according to property, must be equal to twice of A transpose. 2 star A transpose, that means dash, must be equal to 2 A dash. So 2A whole transpose must be equal to 2 into A transpose. So let us see, this is the last property. Let us see 8, 18, 16, 8, 18, 16, 4, 0, 10, 4, 0, 10, 16, 2, 2, 16, 2, 2. Both are same. That means this is the property, that is transpose of Ka is equal to K into A transpose. So all the properties I have verified, and simply the code for transpose is A dash, and dash means apostrophe. Okay, so do some problems by yourself, then it will be very easy for you. Okay, so for today I am completing this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, if you were satisfied with my classes, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Okay, thank you.